Is that bananas? Hey Tyler, do you like bananas? Buddy, do you like bananas? You're double fisting your nanners. Say hi. Say good morning. Say, I'm not a morning person. Is that good? Can you say hi? Say hi. Say hi. No? You don't want to say hi? You don't want to say hi? Can you say something? You could say something. Don't touch it. No. 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 You're silly. Alright. How about I say bye-bye? Say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Huh?
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 Huh?